Alright, so I have both my controllers here for my loader and my dozer, and I'm going to show how you set it up, because if you want an on-demand pump, so your pump only runs when you're using the functions, what happens is when you go one way, the pump spins properly and it does whatever it's supposed to do. When you go the other way, the pump spins in reverse and it won't work in reverse. So you have to keep your pump moving forward for both ways. So to do that on this controller, hit your menu and you want to go to 8. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So on 8, you'll have a curve. So you have to set up a curve. So I have 2 curves set up. I think I'm only using the one, but anyway, so you have a curve V is what I named that. And so what you do, go in here. So once you scroll down through, so you name your curve and then you go down, so 5 points, you want it 5 points and keep going. So then there's point 1, the lower left, negative 100. Point 2 is negative 50. Point 3 is at 0. Point 4 is negative 50. And point 5 is negative 100. So that's how you adjust. So I'll just move one of them so you can see. So that's why you want it at 50. You go past 50, puts it way up there. So there we go, 50. So that is what you do. You set up a curve. So that's curve 1. I named it V. And then when you go in here to your mixes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you go into your mixes, you'll see the curve V's that I have. So that's for my bucket up down, bucket dump curl, and my steering. So we'll go in and look at it. So on the aileron, down here you put your custom curve V. So you have function, expo, diff. So you change that and you go to custom. And then you go over here and you put your custom that you made right there. And then you do that for each one. I don't have that on a switch. On the aileron, we'll go to elevator. Again, now I do have some offset. I only have it at 80%, negative 96, positive 64. That's a negative 16 offset. I think this is my steering. But anyways, let's see. And we'll go up to, so then on the pump itself, I have the pump on this switch here. So that when I hit the SH switch, the pump will run at 100%. So that's actually a spring-loaded switch. So when I hit that, it will run at 100% anytime I need it to. I decided to put it on the spring-loaded switch. So anyways, that will make it so your pump will run properly and on demand. Did the same thing on my dozer. So we'll go in here. If you look at the curve on that one goes down and up. Go over here. The curve on this one is the opposite. I don't know why. Oops. But when I set up my loader, for whatever reason, in order to make the pump work properly, I had to do it the opposite way. So yeah, it just depends on your machine, I guess. So anyways, hopefully that helps you out.